Alright, this is the problem set for IGZY 2. We're doing unit conversions. Now on the unit conversions I did some abbreviation. The arrow means we're converting it to. So on number 1 we're converting 2 centimeters. So my first problem starts off with 3 meters. And the first thing I always have to do when I'm actually doing these problems is setting it up. The setup starts off with putting it over 1. So I need to turn it into a fraction. So once we turn it into a fraction, we're doing our best to try and cancel out the meters. So I'm going to multiply by another fraction. To be able to cancel out meters, I have meters here on top. I need to cancel out with meters on the bottom. So I need to have meters down here for them to cancel. Now on the unit conversion that I gave you, so you could look at that, and the unit conversion, we have meters to centimeters. So we're turning these meters into centimeters. So right here I have centimeters. Now off my page that I have that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now that my problem is set up, I need to multiply my fractions. We multiply fractions straight across. So I'm going to multiply this way, straight across. So when I start this, I need to get rid of my meters, because that's what I'm trying to do here, is I cancel those out, top and bottom, like that. So 3 times 100 gives me 300 centimeters over 1 times 1, which is 1. Now I could do my division, which is 300 divided by 1, which is 300 centimeters. Now for the next problem, I'm going to convert to grams. So I'm starting with kilograms, so I'm going to convert it to grams. My setup is always the same. Start by dividing by 1, like this. Now I have a fraction. With this fraction, I have it set up so I can go ahead and do my cancellation. So I have kilograms on top, so therefore kilograms have to be on bottom. Now on this one, I'm converting my kilograms to grams. So right here, I go grams on top. Now I enter my numbers that I have. So I have that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Now that my problem is set up, from here I go through and cancel out my kilograms. And I multiply my problem straight across. So 4 times 1,000 is going to give me 4,000 grams over 1 times 1 is 1. So my final answer is 4,000 kilograms. Oh, I'm sorry, not kilograms, 4,000 grams. That's a gram right there. Now, let's take a look. This next one on number 3, we're converting to meters. So I'm starting with centimeters, I'm converting to meters. So along with my setup right here, I need to go and put this over 1. Set up my other fraction. So on my other fraction, if I'm starting with centimeters, I'm going to need to have centimeters on the bottom. Now, since I'm converting to meters, meters goes on top. Now I need to look at this. I have 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Go ahead, cancel out my centimeters, cm, cm, multiply straight across, and I get 600 meters over 1 times 100 is 100. So now I do my division. 600 meters divided by 100 is going to give me 6 meters. Now on this last problem here, I have that I'm converting to milliliters. So I'm starting off with 8 liters and I'm going to milliliters. Start over 1, set up my second fraction, which is going to be liters on the bottom, milliliters on top. So I have that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So now from here I need to do my cancellation. So I'm going to cancel liters, liters cancel. 8 times 1,000, 8,000 milliliters over 1. So right here my answer comes out to be 8,000 milliliters.